Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your hard drive your main storage. This simple method helps you optimize your computer's performance and manage your data more effectively. We will cover changing default save locations for new files, moving existing documents, and understanding the benefits of this setup. By the end, you will have a clear, easy-to-follow guide to maximize your storage. Let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer and locate your user folders like Documents or Pictures. Right-click on a folder, select Properties, then click the Location tab. From there, choose Move and Browse to your hard drive, creating a new folder if needed. Confirm your selection, and Windows will prompt you to move existing files. Repeat this quick process for any other folders you wish to relocate. Now, let's move any files already on your primary drive. Open both the old and new folder locations in separate File Explorer windows. Simply select the files you want to move, then drag and drop them into the new folder on your hard drive. Alternatively, you can cut and paste them. This ensures all your data is consolidated in its new, larger home, freeing up valuable space. By making your hard drive your main storage, you free up significant space on your faster primary drive, often an SSD. This improves overall system responsiveness and extends the life of your primary drive. You also gain better organization for your large media and document collections. Remember to always back up your important files regularly, perhaps to an external drive or cloud service, for ultimate peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.